nobody, don't trust your friends. Tell me why they sending pictures, they don't wanna take your place. Stumble on me, I know you're gonna ask me where I've been. Girl, I've been trying to love you bad, but I don't have time. I don't even text, always on the road. I don't even rush, she's staring at me, busy looking obsessed. I don't even look back, I don't even care. Made my money, I wanna invest. He's so surprised that I never had sex. Guessing now, pass my test. Even if I don't, I would never confess. I change, things don't feel the same. I don't wanna play no games. Since I got this dream, it's been so hard to love again. Girl, your love's in vain. Now you feel the same. Girl, you told me no because I wasn't getting paid.
Just leave me alone, I can't escape the way you made me feel, ayy. My heart breaks when you call my phone. Why can't you just leave me alone? I can't escape the way you made me feel, so I'm trapped out, yeah. I don't know what to do, I'ma fall in the back of my coupe. Shout out to my brother and cool, ayy, ayy. I got two damn phones, call me Kevin Gates. Get these bands, lock them up, put them in a race. Don't need no safe, we get all I'm feeling strange. Don't feel the same, no, I don't wanna feel this way. I can't escape you, no, that heart is racing, no. You took my place and I can't take it back, no, take it back. My heart breaks when you call my phone. Why can't you just leave me alone? I can't escape the way you made me feel, ayy. My heart breaks when you call my phone. Why can't you just leave me alone? I can't escape the way you made me feel, ayy. They abuse my feelings. They abuse my feelings. They wanna see me burn in a cell phone place, but that ain't gonna happen no way. Fuck my demons, I'ma kill them for real this time. I'ma kill them for real this time. I ain't got no time for them in my life. So when I'm standing on a battlefield and all the pain is real, I hope I found strength to kill them all. War paint on my face now. Cause I can't let these motherfuckers win. Cause who the fuck would I be if I let them control my life? And fuck everything I try to build up. Fight them up for real this time, cause they only wasting my time. Cause I've been using all my time and fight nobody else can see. These demons ain't real, but it feels so real. They abuse my time for them in my life. That got it, oh so dark, life that falls apart, my heart been torn apart. apart. I'm a fucking loner and I stayed away for life. I'll probably never change, even though I like to. Even though I like to. I'll probably never change for nothing, my dear. All my insecurities holding me near. Probably never change for nothing, my dear. All my insecurities holding me near. But I've been working oh so hard to find some meaning in this life. To find some meaning in this life. In a life that got it oh so dark, goes so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, torn apart. I've been bleeding on the inside, I'm torn apart. Can I get a chance to go back to the start? Yeah, press rewind. Get a chance to find the right answers. I mean, I don't wanna die, I just wanna feel alive. Maybe in my next life, get a chance to feel alive. But people say you only get one chance, so I gotta work hard to try and find a life. Yeah, find a life in a life that got it oh so dark, goes so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, torn apart. I've been bleeding on the inside, I'm torn apart. Can I get a chance to go back to the start? Yeah, press rewind. Get a chance to find. I hope somewhere down the line I'll be able to find the light, the light, the light in a life that got it oh so dark, goes so dark. A life that falls apart, falls apart. My heart been torn apart, torn apart. I've been bleeding on the inside, I'm torn apart. Can I get a chance to go back to the start? Yeah, press rewind. I really ain't trying to concern you, but lately I've been a mess, and it's been pretty concerning. Oh my God, it's everywhere. I hate when shit is out of my control.